Lesson 1. Ratio Tables. You know how to write a ratio, write it in its simplest form, and use the ratio to find a unit rate. This process can become confusing when you have multiple quantities of multiple units within your data. To make your process easier, you can place your data within a ratio table. A ratio table is a tool for you to use to find ratios that are equal. This is not the same as finding the simplest form of your ratio. To make your ratios equal, you may have to scale forward or scale back. To scale, you must divide or multiply both quantities of your ratio by the same number. To scale forward and reach a larger quantity, you must multiply. To scale backward and reach a smaller quantity, you must divide. You have 6 drops of red food coloring to make 1 cup of icing. You need 5 cups of icing to make a batch of cookies. How many drops of food coloring will you need? Your units are drops and cups. The ratios would be 6/1 and something over 5. Now we need to find the value in question. Step 1 would be to determine what you need to multiply by 1 to get 5 cups. So 1 times 5 equals 5. Step 2 would be to multiply your numerator by the same quantity you multiplied your denominator by. So 6 times 5 equals 30 drops. So let's reflect. You made your ratio table and labeled your units and quantities. You multiplied your numerator and denominator by the same quantity to make your ratio equal. Your new equivalent ratio for 6 drops to 1 cup is 30 drops of coloring for 5 cups of icing.